We're actually, I would say, even more active than typical VCs on certain companies. We get very engaged with our portfolio companies, and that's, I feel, my strength, because if it was on my ability, Mark, to pick the right investments, why should I be any better than average? Because I don't even have the experience that other VCs do, right? But if I can change the game to be, who can do better with those companies as an entrepreneur, then I think I have a better than average chance, and definitely better than most of the VCs, because they necessarily don't have that kind of entrepreneurial background that I've had. So I've had two very successful companies in Rapidime and Sparta, and so I feel like I can leverage that strength with my companies, portfolio companies, and help them grow. I should probably mention how Moneta even came about. See, when we started Sparta, we let employees and others invest in the company. For every dollar that people invested, when Sparta was sold, people made $4.93. So $1 grew to $4.93 in a period between 3 to 5 years. So you hear of a lot of companies being sold for millions and billions, but this was one of those rare situations where we made 15 millionaires among the employee population. What's interesting is that all these people that made money, they were like, hey, what are you going to do next? We want to kind of invest in you again. And that's actually why the idea, I said, well, this might be the perfect time to start a VC.